Today we are going to start Sanskrit grammar, Dvandva Samasaha. There are two types of Dvandva Samasaha, Itreta Dvandva Samas and Samahar Dvandva Samasaha. But in this part, we are going to see only Itreta Dvandva Samasaha. So let us start Itreta Dvandva Samasaha. First of all, we are going to see definition of Itreta Dvandva Samasaha. Itar plus itar, two or more different words come together is called Iterator Dvandva Samas. Itar plus itar, two or more different words come together. Just like for example, Ramaha Krishnaha means Rama Krishno. Means two or more different words come together is called Iterator Dvandva Samas. Iterator Dvandva Samasani Vaishishtyani. First point, itar plus itar, two different things come together. Next one, Dvandva is group of two or more. Dvandva is group of two or more. Both components are important. This samas can never be in ekvachanam. It will be either dvivachanam or bahuvachanam. Gender of the samas is decided by the gender of the uttarpada. Okay. Now, Itreta Dvandva Samasaha Vigrahaha. Each words in Prathama Vibhakti. For example, Rama Krishno means Ramaha Krishnaha. Next one, it is followed by the Avyacha means Ramaha Krishno means Ramaha Cha Krishnaha Cha. Next one, each word will take its own gender. For example, Sita Ramo means Sita Cha Ramaha Cha. Vachan is dependent on the quality. Vachan is dependent on the quality. Proper noun singular, for example, Ramaha Krishna, etc. Ramaha Krishna singular form. Collective noun singular, for example, Annam Jalam means Annam and Jalam singular form. Things always in bulk, plural form. Lokaha Vasrani, Lokaha and Vasrani are plural form. Okay. Now, Udaharanani. First one, Rama Krishno means Ramaha Cha Krishnaha Cha. See here, Ramaha is Purvapadam and Krishnaha is Uttarpadam. Krishnaha is Uttarpadam. It is Pullingam. Rama Krishno is Pullingam because its Uttarpadam is Pullingam. Rama Krishna is Pullingam because its Uttarpadam is Pullingam. One Rama and one Krishna together form Dvivachanam. So Rama Krishno is Prathama Dvivachanam. Okay. Next one, Sita Gite means Sita Cha Gita Cha. This is Srilingam. Next one, Vruksha Khaga Pashavaha means Vrukshaha Cha Khagaha Cha Pashavaha Cha. Vigraha in Prathama Vibhakti. Vrukshaha means Vrukshaha Khagaha Pashavaha. Prathama Vibhakti Vigrahaha. Okay. Now Swadhyayaha. Sita Ramo. Sita Ramo. Sita Cha Ramaha Cha. Ram Lakshmano. Ramaha Cha Lakshmanaha Cha. Deva Manushaha. Devaha Cha Manushaha Cha. Vrukshalate. Vrukshaha Cha Lata Cha. Sukha Dukhe. Sukham Cha Dukkham Cha. Pushpa Phala Chaya. Pushpani Cha Phalani Cha Chaya Cha. Sita Ramo. Sita is feminine gender. Ramaha is masculine gender. So we will dissolve this word Sita Cha Ramaha Cha. Rama Lakshmano both are masculine gender. So Ramaha Cha Lakshmanaha Cha. Deva Manushaha both are masculine gender. So Devaha Cha Manushaha Cha. Vrukshalate Vruksha is masculine gender. and Lata is feminine gender. So Vrukshah cha, Lata cha. Sukha Dukhe. Sukha Dukhe both are neuter gender. So Sukham cha, Dukkham cha. Pushpa Phala Chaya. Pushpa and Phala both are neuter gender, but Chaya is feminine gender. So Pushpani cha, Phalani cha, Chaya cha. Okay, understood? So that's all for this part. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share the video so that others can learn, and also subscribe my channel to regular update about the course. धन्यवाद.